Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Yahoo Finance account. To log into Yahoo Finance, first of all, open the Yahoo Finance application from your mobile device. Now you'll end up in the main home page for Yahoo Finance. Go to the account button at the bottom right and tap on it. Tap on the login/sign up button at the upper left and click the Continue button to end up on yahoo.com sign-in page. To access your Yahoo Finance account, you will need to use your Yahoo account's credential. You can also continue logging in with your AOL account if you have one. To sign into Yahoo Finance, simply go ahead and type in your user ID, your email address, or your mobile phone number that is associated with your Yahoo account. Once you type in your email, your phone number, or your username, tap on Next. You can also get help by tapping on Forgotten Username if you don't remember your user ID during the process. Once you do that, it'll ask you to enter your password on the next field. Simply type in your password and tap Next. Now, you will be able to log into your Yahoo Finance account right away. All you need to do is to enter your Yahoo account's credentials, that is your email and password, and you will be good to go. So that's how you can easily log into Yahoo Finance in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.